different types of farm animals. Horse. Horses are powerful, intelligent, and deeply connected to humans. They can sleep both standing up and lying down, thanks to a special system in their legs. Horses have nearly 360-degree vision, allowing them to detect danger quickly. They are incredibly social and form strong bonds with both humans and other horses. Horses can read human emotions by observing facial expressions and tone of voice. They communicate through body language, especially their ears, tail, and posture. Foals can stand and run shortly after
being born, helping them survive in the wild.
They also have excellent memory and can remember people and places for years. Strong, loyal, and emotionally aware companions.
Snuggle facts!